Jai Gurudev students, welcome back to Bhagavad Gita chanting. Shall we start? Yes, let us join our hand. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्ययोगः. Yes, shloka number 37. Observe my pronunciation and later you have to pronounce. हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम् जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम् हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम् जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम् तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. Once again, same shloka, shloka number 37. हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गम् जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम् तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. Yes, translation is like this. So, there is nothing more important than battle for you. If you die in battle, you will go to heaven, or you will win and rule the kingdom of earth in glory. Therefore, O Arjuna, stand up in determination to battle. Next to shloka number 38. Sukha dukhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayau Sukha dukhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayau tato yuddhaya yujyasva नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि. ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि. Yes, once again, same shloka, shloka number 38. Sukha dukhe same krutva labha labhau jaya jayau tato yuddhaya yujyasva नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि. Translation is like this. Prepare for the war, taking joy or sorrow, gain or loss, and victory or defeat with equanimity. The war fought in such spirit will not be sinful for you. Yes, next, shloka number 39. एषा ते भिहिता सांख्ये बुद्धिर्योगे त्विमां शृणु एषा ते भिहिता सांख्ये बुद्धिर्योगे त्विमां शृणु बुद्ध्या युक्तो यया पार्थ कर्मबन्धं प्रहास्यसि बुद्ध्या युक्तो यया पार्थ कर्मबन्धं प्रहास्यसि. Yes, once again, same shloka, shloka number 39. Esha te bhihita sankhye buddhir yoge tvimam shrunu buddhya yukto yaya partha karma bandham prahasyasi. Yes, translation is like this. O Partha, the intelligence given to you is for gathering knowledge. Now hear about the use of the same intelligence for doing deeds. With the intelligence on matters of deeds, you will be able to fully cast off the bonds of deeds. Yes. Now shloka number 40. नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्प नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते. स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. Yes, once again, same shloka. नेहाभिक्रमनाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते. स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. Yes, translation is like this. Indeed, the seed is not destroyed and the fruit in the form of consequence of the deed does not have any bearing on the door. In fact, karma as dharma, done in small measure or attempted to, protects one from the terror of the life and death cycle. Yes, today also we practiced 4 shlokas. Keep on practice, students. See you in the next class. Jai Gurudev.